Good morning, good afternoon, or good night, wherever you are. My name is Pedro, and this is the fourth episode of The Database Guys. Welcome to our video on Oracle Autonomous Database, the cutting-edge solution that revolutionizes database management. In this video, we'll explore the key features and benefits of Oracle Autonomous Database and walk you through the process of configuring and managing it effectively. So let's get started. First, let's understand what Oracle Autonomous Database is and why it's worth discussing. ADB is a fully managed cloud database service that utilizes machine learning and automation to eliminate complexity, reduce cost, and ensure high levels of security and availability. It frees you from the time-consuming task of database administration, allowing you to focus on your business's core objectives. Now, let's dive into Oracle Autonomous Database. So we are on the OCI console right now. So let's go ahead on the top left. We're going to click on the hamburger icon. And then we're going to click on Oracle Database. And then we're going to click on Autonomous Database. So as that loads up, we're going to go ahead and see that we have a database already provisioned and available. I did that right before this recording. And at the left here, we have a compartment, right? So this is very, very important. We always want to make sure that we're in the correct compartment. When working with Oracle Autonomous Database, you'll organize your resources into compartments. Compartments are logical containers that help you organize and control access to your database resources based on your organizational structure or project needs. So whenever you are creating a database, whenever you're doing anything else, just go ahead and make sure you're in that correct compartment. But let's go ahead and get started on creating an autonomous database. So let's click on Create Autonomous Database. Again, one more time, make sure you're in that compartment, in that correct compartment. And then we have two options here, display name and database name. So the database name is a unique identifier for your Oracle Autonomous Database instance, which you'll use to access and interact with the database. But your display name is a user-friendly label that you assign to your database instance for easy identification and management within the console, okay? And then right here below, we have 4 different workload types. So let's just read through these real quick. We have data warehouse, which is built for decision support and data warehouse workloads, fast queries over large volumes of data. We have transaction processing, built for transactional workloads, high concurrency for short running queries and transactions. We have JSON, built for JSON-centric application development, developer-friendly document APIs, and native JSON storage. And last, but definitely not the least, Apex, built for Oracle Apex application development, creation and deployment of low-code applications with databases included. Okay, so Apex is actually going to be our next video. That's going to be with Kevin. He's going to walk you guys through how to create a workspace, how to create an application. Apex is really, really cool because you can create an application and access that application anywhere as long as you have an internet connection. And that can be on your phone, that can be on a computer, really anything. So now we're going to talk about these deployment types. So we have two different deployment types, right? We have serverless and dedicated infrastructure, okay? Oracle Autonomous Database provides 2 deployment options. And the serverless and dedicated infrastructure. With serverless, your database shares compute resources with other customers, making it a cost-effective choice for smaller workloads or development environments. And on the other hand, the dedicated infrastructure provides dedicated compute resources exclusively for your database, offering enhanced performance and isolation, making this suitable for mission-critical or high-performance capabilities. Now, let's go down here into configure the database. We're going to take a look, and we're going to keep that serverless for now. We don't need to do anything else to that. So we're going to walk through the process of configuring your Oracle Autonomous Database instance. So first, there's an always free option available, allowing you to try out Oracle Autonomous Database at no cost. This option provides a limited but fully functional database instance with reduced resources. Okay. And then next, you select the database version you want to use. Oracle regularly updates the database version, ensuring you have access to the latest features, enhancements, and security patches. And you'll also specify the computing power for your database measured in OCPUs or Oracle compute units. And for storage, you can allocate terabytes of space for your data, providing ample room to store and manage your information. Okay. So we're just going to keep everything the way it is for now. 1 terabyte, 1 OCPU, 19C. So now let's talk about auto scaling and storage auto scaling. Okay. Oracle Autonomous Database offers OCPU auto scaling, which allows your database to automatically adjust its compute resources based on workload demands. This means your database can scale up to 3 times its original capacity when needed. This dynamic scaling capability ensures that your database can handle peak workload efficiently, delivering consistent performance and responsiveness to your applications. In addition to compute auto-scaling, Oracle Autonomous Database also supports storage auto-scaling. This feature automatically adjusts your storage capacity based on your size of your data, ensuring you have enough space to accommodate with your growing needs. With auto-scaling for both compute and storage, you can ensure optimal resources utilization and cost efficiency. Now let's go down here to your create administrator credentials. I'm not going to put anything in here for now, but when you're configuring your database, you'll create administrative credentials, which provide you with the necessary privileges to manage and access your database. It's important to note that these credentials are separate from the sys user or administrative credentials. As we go down here, we're going to talk about the network access. So Oracle Autonomous Database offers different options for network access, allowing you to choose the level of security and connectivity that suits your requirements. You can select secure access from everywhere to allow access to your database from any network location, ensuring flexibility, but potentially reducing network security. Alternatively, you can choose secure access from allowed IPs and VCNs only to restrict access to specific IP addresses in virtual cloud networks, enhancing the security of your database. And lastly, you have the option for private endpoint access only, which ensures that your database can only be accessed from within your virtual cloud network, providing the highest level of network isolation and security. So we're going to go down to here to your choose license and Oracle Database Edition. We have BYOL and license included. But for right now, we'll just go ahead and select license included. Basically, right, if you have your own license, you can bring it if you already have an Oracle license. But if you have one that's that you want to subscribe to a new license for a software, you could just go ahead or a service, you can go ahead and click license included. And then we have advanced options. There's a bunch of advanced options that we can go through here, but I'm just going to give you a high level of these advanced options. So Oracle Autonomous Database offers several advanced options that allow you to customize and fine tune your database configurations based on your specific needs. These advanced options include encryption key management, maintenance preferences, management tools, and the ability to assign tags for each resource, categorization, and tracking. Okay. So we can go ahead and create this autonomous database from here. I'm not going to do that, but once you fill all this information out, that's all you have to do is create an autonomous database, and then you're good to go. So let's go ahead and click into here, and we can actually take a look inside of our database. So once your Oracle Autonomous Database is provisioned, you'll have access to a comprehensive dashboard that provides an overview of your database's performance, configuration, and management options. In the dashboard, you'll find the OCID, which uniquely identifies your autonomous database instance within the Oracle Cloud infrastructure. The dashboard also offers a range of actions you can perform on your database instance, such as starting, restarting, restoring, creating clones, updating network access, and managing administrative passwords. Okay, and you can do all of that here. Then let's talk a little bit about the metrics. If we scroll down, we're not going to have really too much metrics going on right now, obviously, but you can monitor the performance and health of your database using the metrics section in the dashboard. It provides valuable insights into resource utilization, query performance, and other key metrics to help you optimize your database's performances. And then if we scroll back up to the top here, we can see that we have database connection. The dashboard will provide you easy access to necessary information and credentials required to establish a connection to your database. Database connection allows your applications or tools to interact seamlessly with the database. And then we have Performance Hub. Let's actually take a look inside of Performance Hub. Oracle Autonomous Database includes Performance Hub, which offers a detailed performance analysis and recommendations to help you optimize your database's performance. With Performance Hub, you can identify and resolve performance bottlenecks, tune your SQL queries, and improve overall system efficiency. So let's close that. So let's go ahead and talk about managed scaling. So scaling your database resources is made simple with the managed scaling feature in the dashboard. Okay, you can adjust compute and storage capacity based on your workload requirements, ensuring optimal performance and cost efficiency. So you can go ahead and change your OCPU count, your storage, and then just click apply, and then it'll do all that for you there. Okay, so we're going to click cancel for now. Scroll down over here one more time and take a look at the resources. The dashboard provides a comprehensive view of your database resources, including metrics, backups, key history, refreshable clones, and works requests. This centralized view enables you to effectively manage and monitor all your aspects of your database. And we'll scroll back up here, and that wraps it up, right? That wraps up our overview of Oracle Autonomous Database and the key steps to configure and manage it effectively. With its advanced automation, high performance, and self-securing capabilities, Oracle Autonomous Database is the ideal choice for modern businesses seeking a streamlined, cost-efficient database solution. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we hope this video has provided you with the valuable insights into the power of Oracle Autonomous Database.